Mulund Hills at your doorsteps. Having a home in Hills where city living meets the calm of hillside, with reputed educational institutions and a deep sense of community in your vicinity. Presenting to you Hillfront at Mulund Hills by Atul Projects, situated in the heart of Mulund. Remarkable delivery of 90 plus projects and 70 plus prime locations like Goregaon and Malad, now Atul Projects is coming to Mulund for the first time in Central with GMLR Road right next to the property. And apart from that, there is a LBS connector touch to the project and a school named Billabong, which is just under the premises. And Mulund Railway Station and Metro Line 4 is just 5 to 10 minutes from here. Fortis Hospital is also 5 to 10 minutes from here, and Guru Gobind Singh Road is just 100 meters from here. This was about the connectivity. Now I will take you to explain the project. Let's go. Now I will give you the brief about this project. This is a township gated community project and is spread across 9 acres of land. You have 2 basement level and 5 podium levels car parking, and your 6th level is your eco deck and amenities area with more than 60 plus amenities and a clubhouse of 2000 square feet. Apart from that, from your 6th to 47th floor, you have your habitual floor. So it is a G plus 47 story building. And talking about the amenities now, so the key amenity is your Ganesh temple, and apart from that, you get swimming pool, kids play area, indoor games, multi-purpose court, and an air theatre on your rooftop. So these were the amenities. Now I will show you the sample flat. Let's go. So now, as you can see, right behind me is the ongoing construction, and they have already completed 7 floors of the construction. And you can see the Billabong High International School that I've already mentioned. It's under the premises. Now I will take you to our sample flat. So we are entering our 3 BHK sample flat with carpet area 1000 square feet, and this is our very premium, luxury and expansive living room, size 270 square feet. आप देख सकते हैं, this is our living area which has couch and TV unit. You can decorate it in the same way and comes with French windows for ventilation. Moving on to our premium dining space that can occupy conveniently more than 6-seater dining table. Moving on to our another USP of this apartment which exploded my mind and I was fascinated by it is our such a spacious and huge double platform kitchen. As you can see, here would be your dry space area for your washing machine and other storage spaces. Here we get our refrigerator space. So this was our kitchen. Moving on, the floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 10 feet. Now I'll be showing you the rest of the 3 rooms and with 1 common washroom. So we are entering our kids bedroom or guest bedroom according to your requirements. As you can see, it is very well utilized. You can also place your study table and the bed just like this. Comes with attached washroom and has premium fittings and branded tilings, as you can see. Moving on, now we will move on to our common washroom. So you have 4 washrooms in total in this apartment. Again, comes with premium fittings, as you can see. Moving on to our master bedroom number 1, which is again very premium and luxury. Apart from that, from the 41st floor, you also get your balcony attached to your master bedroom. So this was again the another USP, comes with attached washroom with premium fittings given to you the same. So now we are entering into our master bedroom number 3, which is very spacious, and compared to the other bedrooms, it is bigger in size, as you can see, and it is also very well utilized. Comes with attached washroom, which has premium fittings and vitrified tilings given to you the same way. This is our 3 BHK sample flat for you, and the pricing here for 2 BHK starting from 1.85 CR plus taxes and 3 BHK starting from 2.55 CR plus taxes. They also have a very interesting and flexible payment scheme like 30/70. So what are you waiting for? For booking purpose and more information, contact us today on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.